I got an idea.
Well done. Bye-bye.
It's really terrible. The streets are filled with garbage. Mouses, cockroaches, and flies are appearing everywhere.
Ew!
The people are advised to wear masks when going outside.
If trash is not cleaned up, there is a risk of disease outbreaks.
The air is heavily polluted.
My garbage truck is broken. I can't collect the garbage anymore.
No problem. I'll build a new garbage truck for you. How to build the garbage truck. Step 1. Build the body. Step 2. Build the lifting and pushing arm. Step 3. Build the garbage compartment. Step 4. Build the engine. Testing.
Great, I can continue my work now.
All right, Alex, let's clean up the streets together.
Everyone, I come back with my new garbage truck.
You'll work well.
Wish you work efficiently.
Welcome back.
Let's start collecting trash now. great. It's exactly what it works.
Keep up the good work cleaning.
You do very well.
Look what I do.
Hang in there, Alex.
Thank you for helping to clean our environment.
I'm done.
This morning, a giant Orbeez rain occurred at Lego Park. The sudden rain caused heavy damage to the park.
Let's go. Mr. Hand, we need to help them clean up the giant Orbeez at the park. We are here to help you.
What a great garbage truck.
Marvelous.
I did it.
Yeah!
Orbeez have been completely collected. The park is clean again.
You are very kind.
Thank you.
Recyclable waste. Organic waste. Dangerous waste. Railroad crossing.
Someone calls 911. I've had an accident and need assistance. We'll be there in a few minutes.
How was a car carrier truck made? Step 1. Testing the chassis. Step 2. Connect a truck head to a chassis. Step 3. Build a fold ramp gate. Step 4. Build an upper floor lifting. Testing the automation. How does it work? Railroad crossing.
Luckily, everyone is okay.
Let's begin.
I'm almost done.
All right, we'll handle the rest.
Good luck. Rescue station.
I came back. We're ready.
Try your best.
Of course, trust us.
Come on, let's do it together. Sir, yes, sir! Let's begin.
Are you okay?
I got an idea.
Huh?
Look.
Huh? I think we need to move the sand away.
Okay.
Hello, Tom, I need all those vegetables.
Huh?
Look.
Let's do it together.
Okay.
Huh?
Thank you, Alex.
Huh?
Thank you so much.
In Aurora Beach Camp,
Such a nice place for camping. What a jerk.
Hey, pretty girl.
Your car is so cool. I can't sleep here anymore.
You can sleep in my motorhome, pretty girl.
How modern it is.
We don't need that, honey.
how to build the motorhome. Number 1. Build the expandable trailer. Add the motors and the gearboxes. Add the worm gears. The extra balcony can slide in and out easily. Add the tractor. Testing.
My motorhome is all set up. This is so chill. I smell grilled seafood.
Your grilled shrimp is ready, honey.
I don't like this shrimp.
Hey, pretty. Wanna eat with me?
Mind your business.
Yes, yes.
What?
I'm coming.
Huh?
This meal is such a feast.
She betrayed me. Help me, help.
The sea is so dangerous.
Don't worry, my car has a pool.
Wow, you surprised me again.
Upgrade the motorhome with a pool. Number 2. Build the hot tub trailer. Add the worm gears. Add the pool. Add the gearboxes. Add the motor. Connect to the battery box. Testing. The pool slides in and out automatically.
We should swim together. Your motorhome is the best. I love it.
This is my stolen motorhome, Mr. Officer.
I need to escape now.
Stay right there, you thieves. You're under arrest for stealing this car.
I'm innocent.